Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to enable the Screen Text Reader feature in Google Lens on your mobile phone for 2025. If you're someone who needs help with reading text on your screen, or just want a hands-free way to multitask, this feature is a total lifesaver. Google Lens has evolved a lot by 2025, making it easier than ever to access text-to-speech capabilities directly from your device. First, make sure your phone is running the latest software, Android 16 or iOS 19, and that Google Lens is updated. Head to the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS, search for Google Lens, and hit Update if needed. This ensures you have all the 2025 enhancements. Step 1. Open the Google Lens app on your mobile phone. You'll see the familiar camera view ready to scan. Step 2. Tap the three-dot menu or your profile icon in the top right corner to access settings. It's straightforward and user-friendly. Step 3. Scroll down to the Accessibility section. Look for Screen Text Reader or Text-to-Speech options. These might be under Advanced Settings in the 2025 version. Step 4. Toggle the switch to enable Screen Text Reader. You'll probably need to grant permissions for accessibility services and microphone access, so go ahead and allow those when prompted. Step 5. Once enabled, exit settings and return to the main screen. Point your camera at any text on your screen, like a photo or a web page, then tap the text and select the Read Aloud button. Your phone will start reading it out loud. A quick tip. For the best experience in 2025, adjust the reading speed in the settings to match your preference. That's all there is to it. This feature can really boost your productivity and accessibility. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.